Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Ghosh. I'm from the Economic Times and I welcome you all to the second edition of ET Entrepreneur Summit and Awards. We are live from Bengaluru and we have been joined by none other than Mr. Harsha and Mr. Rana from team Loka Loka. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank you.
today for
Thank
the
you.
conversation. So we've just heard you over a very insightful fireside chat with one of our editors. Few quick questions close to your brand. I would like to know what inspired you to venture into entrepreneurship with Loka Loka.
Well, entrepreneurship or local, which one?
You can choose.
Well, entrepreneurship, I think that's the way to life now. If that's the only thing I knew all my life, and the fact that I was always in building stories, building culture, building community in some manner. I think the fact that we could bring fuse two cultures of Mexico and India and build a product which is tequila, I think was pretty phenomenal as an idea.
Thank you so much. So the next question I would like to ask you, Mr. Harsha, how do you balance between? Okay, so this is a question for you. I'm sorry.
Balance is for me. Wait, everyone
No,
else is
there's a
balance.
balance. You also have to strike a balance because you are your co-founder is quite famous, and he says you are more famous than him because he's inspiring you. So when you have to strike a balance between your brand, a creative artist who is also a co-founder, and the entrepreneurship journey, how do you strike a balance between all these things? You're working with someone who is already a public figure, and you have a brand which is about to launch, and you've just
The
shared
brand is launched. It's
okay,
about
all
to
right.
launch in India.
All right.
In
Yes,
India,
about
yes.
the country. So, how are you handling so many challenges and yet being very, progressive about the future that is
Your
coming
question
towards
is
the brand?
sounding like I'm like such a pain to deal with.
No, no, of course
That's
not.
exactly
It's no,
how do you deal with this guy who's an actor? Who's
no,
this?
no, no. It's always striking a balance because entrepreneurship is something that we all know. It's
I'll
a
tell you
hardship.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
So everybody thinks that Rana's see he's famous as an actor,
Mhm.
but in my opinion or in my mind, he's one of the great entrepreneurs, at least in my visibility or in my vicinity. And I firstly he himself switches off from the act, actors and all that kind of stuff before he gets into any of the entrepreneurship stuff, and he has better ideations and better stuff to ground a product and stuff like that. So for me it's like switching off the celebrity status and getting to him, because I talk to him as an entrepreneur, he talks back as an entrepreneur and a guide. So so there is no challenge for me actually.
So that's wonderful. So, my next question would be to you, Mr. Harsha only. What's your vision for Loka Loka and how does it stand out in the market?
So as Rana already explained that we are the in India. I probably we will be the first brand to be 100% additive free and authentic product. Right now, all the brands which we are drinking in India, or all the tequilas which we are drinking in India have a lot of sugars, a lot of additives which are added to taste great. But for us, our product, our distiller, or the third generation family which is making the tequila has is very much particular on how they make the tequila. It's like zero additives. They whatever you're drinking is like the pure form of tequila which is being made, and that is the first standout point which I would like to convey for the Indian markets. And the second thing is the challenges. If you're talking about, I think state wise, if you can get into like 9 to 10 states in India, because every state has its own challenges and its own framework of rules and regulations. So that is the challenge which we might be facing, but we started here. Hopefully we'll be available in 6 to 7 markets in India, the bigger markets in India.
So my last question to you would be: you've just shared your, updates and about the brand. You've shared what you're going to do in future. During the Wi-Fi chat you just had during the conversation, what is your feedback? How do you take this conversation as, and how would you like your experience? How do you like to brief it on your experience regarding it, your Entrepreneur Summit and Awards?
Well, I think you guys are doing a terrific job in terms of putting thoughts and information for entrepreneurs to come together. It's been a great audience, and I just feel like this is now the most essential part of India, where you need to create more and more entrepreneurs. And I think this culture, what you guys are taking forward, is brilliant.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining us
Thank you
today.
very much.
Thanks a lot.